In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for CVs, a step-by-step guide. First, let's lock down your privacy so you can work confidently. On your main dashboard, click your profile picture in the bottom left, open settings, then data controls and toggle off. Improve the model for everyone. This helps keep your full name, contact details, company history, and project metrics from being used to train public models. While you draft, replace real contact info with placeholders like your email or your phone, and only add the real details when you're ready to export. Next, pick the right engine tier for your task. If you're brainstorming short profile taglines, testing formats, or doing quick spelling and grammar sweeps, choose the instant tier for lightning fast responses. When you need deeper strategy, like mapping your achievements to a complex job description, extracting the right industry keywords, or converting passive duties into measurable wins, switch to the thinking tier for higher quality reasoning and impact. Now set the stage with a strong priming prompt. Avoid short, vague requests. Instead, press Shift plus Enter to write a multi-line prompt that clearly defines the role you want and how you want to work. For example, act as an elite corporate executive recruiter, professional CV writer, and master career coach. I want to build a highly competitive, ATS-friendly CV section by section. Before you write any sections or bullet points, ask me 3 highly targeted questions one by one regarding my targeted industry role, my core technical tool stack, and my top 3 real-world professional metrics or project wins so we can customize this roadmap perfectly. Then answer the follow-up questions one at a time so the plan is tailored to you. Once your background is captured, open a dedicated workspace for clean editing. You can also upload an existing document using the clip or plus icon. In the message field, type /canvas create a structured CV template based on our data. Organize the roadmap into a clean document tracking my professional summary, technical skills matrix, and work experience sections using high impact bulleted lines. Your screen will split with prompts on the left and an organized editor on the right. From here, enhance each line in place. Highlight a bullet, click the small comment bubble, and request an upgrade like this line reads too passive. Rewrite it to show strong leadership and quantifiable results. Use the XYZ formula. Accomplished X measured by Y by doing Z. Start with a powerful action verb. For tone, open the bottom right tool menu and slide to Professional Direct to Strip Filler. Finally, audit and export. In the left chat, open the globe icon and run a search like Search current mid-2026 technical recruiting and applicant tracking system, ATS, keyword preferences for my industry job title. When you're satisfied, click Export, Download on the Canvas header, and save your CV as a Word document, Markdown, or PDF. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next one.